This video is about the variable, and let's take an example in the earlier next classes. If you are in 8 or 10 standard, you have to solve math problem that use x, y, z, and you might have used p, q, r. You have used some identifier to solve some problem. Similarly, we have to use variables to solve different type of the problem. And the variables are really important to understand the data types. So before jumping into this, I will give you a big task that will help you to understand it. In programming language like C, Java or any other programming language, the concept of variable is connected with the memory location. In other languages like variable is used as a container. So I will just take an example of addition. Simply I need to do 5 plus 6. What I will get answer is 5 plus 6 and then simply enter. That will be 11. So there is a variable that's stored in the boxes and try to perform. Let me take you example some comfortable. If I take x is equal to 5 and then y is equal to 6 and then I can type some perform some addition x and y. X has a value of 5, y has a value of 6, and I can try to perform some addition between them. So x and y are the variables. So there is a container which has a value of 5 which is called x, and there is any other container which has a value of 6 which is called the y. Now you might be thinking, if I take these values and 5, will it point the same container? Yes, they will point to the same container. Let this perform this example also. Let's take x is equal to 5. Let me try to get some memory of x and then both of them. So I just need to type id, and here I will give the value between the parentheses of the variables of which I need to find the location of it. So I give x, you can see there is a memory location. And if I do the same thing for z, here you will get the same entrance. And if I try to perform the same thing on y, you might see some different result. So let us do that also. Here you can see x and z have the same address where the 5 have the different address. Let me try to do one more thing. Let us perform some variable to store this address. Let's type p is equal to 2, q is equal to 3 and r is equal to p plus q. Here you will get this answer, and when you type id is equal to r, you will get answer. These are the containers that store the value of 5. If any variable have the same exact values, it will point this particular container. I hope this point was clear because it is really important. This shows the efficiency of the Python because Python is a memory efficient language. Now, if I try some different value to z, what will happen? What will happen to the memory location? If I type z is equal to same here and then try some memory location, you will see a different address. That's all the how the memory location work, how when we type the value and how this memory change. I hope you get this particular point. Next thing, if I want to directly find the address of 5, how the memory location is allocated. So this point is really important for you to understand the management of the memory with the help of Python. In the next lecture, I will talk about a data type in Python. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, then please don't forget to like, comment and share this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Get Excitement. I will see you guys in my next video.